Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you can do me a favor, please subscribe. I have a large amount of viewers that watch that are not subscribers. It's free, so it would really help me out if you could just subscribe. So today's Dutch pour is going to be done on an oval canvas on a 9x12 stretch canvas. And I'm laying out my base coat now, and that is Amsterdam's titanium white. That is going to be my base coat for the day. I mix my paint with Floetrol. 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol, and then I thin it to the consistency that I like. So once I blow out my base coat, I will start adding my colors. And my colors, I did not measure, I just eyeballed it. And a lot of them are the leftover Nova color paints that I used for the first time on my last painting. This color is the Nova color Payne's Gray. And this color is the Nova color Fluorescent Magenta. Really like this color. This is Phthalo Turquoise. Again, the Nova. And I'm adding just a little yellow oxide, which is by Goldens. And then my final will be my metallic, which is the sun gold, again by the Nova. I'm going to add a little bit more of my base coat, which is titanium white, around the colors. It helps my colors to flow. And it also keeps, if I get cells, so they don't break up. So it keeps the integrity of it. So I'm going to blow some of the base coat over my colors, and then I'm going to blow it out to my desired composition. I'm using my torch to bust any bubbles. And then I'm going to use my mini blower to blow it out some more for a little detailing. My mini blower I got from Amazon, and that attachment I actually got that from Etsy. And this is a real quick video. Sometimes it just comes out that way. It's a different composition, but I actually like it. Looks kind of like a wave a little bit. So again, my name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Creating is what I do.